Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Jordan and I post motherhood lifestyle videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Please hit the subscribe button and join the family. If you guys like this kind of video, there's going to be more to come. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the Method Squirt and Mop. I am super excited and kind of nervous to try this. Apparently you just squirt it on the floor and mop. They don't test on animals, which is awesome. I am an animal lover. So this is formulated for sealed hardwood floors and laminate floors. You're supposed to test it in an inconspicuous place first is what it said, but nobody has time for that. Apparently you're supposed to squirt a thin layer onto the floor and then mop it. You don't need to dilute it or rinse it. I got my mop here. The struggle is real, okay? The struggle is real. I just got a random mop and I put a microfiber cloth on it and grabbed 2 chip clips and I'm ready to go. This is creative. Okay, this is how brand ideas are built. All right. Before you see all that gunk, yes, that is kid gunk right there. Kid and dog gunk. I'm just gonna, I don't like how it sprays. It's like, maybe my mind's in the gutter. So, I mean, it does a pretty good job. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, this is pretty decent. I can't smell it though. I'm sad about that. All right, y'all, so this is still kind of drying, but look, it took all of the fingerprints off the floor, which, I mean, okay, that's pretty good. It did a pretty decent job. That little crumb right there is because Jake came up in here. You came up in here, didn't you? Yeah, you did. But yeah, it does a pretty good job. It takes the fingerprints and footprints off the fingerprints. It takes the footprints off the floor. It doesn't leave it greasy. And sadly, it doesn't give a polished look, but that's okay. I mean, it doesn't say that it's supposed to do that, so yeah. There's no film left behind. It's not slippery. I would give this a 10 out of 10. I mean, it does what it says it's supposed to do. It cleans the floor, and I can't smell right now, but I'm assuming that it has a pretty nice almond-y scent. Method is pretty good on their scents. Alright, y'all, so I figured out a little bit of a flaw with it. No flaw in the product, but I wish they would make it a little bit child-proof. All you have to do is pull this up, and it's pretty much like a packaged drink for a kid. If they were to see this, they would think it was like apple juice or something, and all they have to do is grab it with their all they have to do is grab it with their teeth and drink from it. So I guess the only thing that I would recommend for them to do is maybe make a twist where you have to twist it and pull it at the same time or something like that. Give it a lid, do something, because their market is moms, but moms have kids, and kids like apple juice, and this looks like apple juice. So yeah, it's like having child safety on plugs or those childproof Tide Pod buckets. So that's my only flaw with this. That's my only recommendation. Otherwise, this is a pretty good product. Say, if you guys like the video, please leave us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks and have a great day. Thanks and have a great day. Yeah.